Hey iStylers, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and today I am participating in a collaboration that is being hosted by a wonderful sister here on YouTube, and that's Kimberly Davis over at Diva Designing on the Dime. And this is the Show Some Love collab for 2020. And in this collaboration, she asked us to share 3 things that we love, and I love the Lord in this life that He has given me. I am so appreciative of everything that He has brought my way and continues to bring our way. I love my family through thick and thin. We are always there for each other. We always know we can count on each other no matter what. I love my partner and for his support. And lastly, I love home decor and I love decorating, as you all know. So those are the 3 things I love. And she also asked us to show a tablescape, and this is my Show Some Love tablescape. So it's in a different lighting today. Normally I film in natural light, but this is toward the evening. So I'm using the lights in my kitchen. I have them lowered on dim so as not to get too much of a glare. But I want to show you the tablescape, and then I will show you or tell you where I picked up everything. So that was my Show Some Love tablescape. And now I'll break down where I purchased the items for this tablescape. First of all, we'll talk about the table runner. It is not a table runner at all. It is actually pillow covers that I purchased for winter. And I decided, you know what? I think I will use these for a table runner for this table. And I think if I hadn't told you, you wouldn't have known. And those came from Amazon, and it was a pack of 4, and I want to say they were like $15.99. Very fluffy. Really, really love them. And we'll start with the centerpiece. These I picked up from Ross. This one was on clearance, I want to say for $8.99. These flowers came from Michael's. They were part of a $4 grab bag, and you cannot beat them. They were actually from the 4th of July because they were red, white, and blue. And I actually took the blue hydrangeas and I used them in my daughter's baby shower in a flower arrangement I did for her. So you can always reuse tons of things, guys. So always think of repurposing when you are out shopping. This vase I picked up from the Goodwill. It was, I think, $4.99, and I got 2 of them. And I used these last year as part of my Midsummer Night's Dream tablescape. If you have not seen that video, I will leave a link down below. These florals I picked, sorry for the glare, guys, so sorry. These florals I picked up from Michael's. They were 40% off, and I wanted to do something a little different than typical roses. So I purchased this really pretty, like a burgundy, not burgundy, like a red velvet, that's what I want to call it, hydrangea. These pink roses, and these roses here came from Walmart, believe it or not, and they were $3. The floral greenery came from Michael's, 40% off. I want to say the floral greenery was $6.99 at 40% off. The hydrangea was $9.99, and so was the pink roses at 40% off. And again, this is another of the hydrangeas that I got from the grab bag from Michael's. There were a ton of flowers in there, and I'm so glad because you know I love making floral arrangements. This little heart I got from Walmart last year. I want to say it was, I don't know, $2.98, something like that. This little vase I thought was perfect. I got it on clearance at TJ Maxx. It was $4. Originally it had been $9, so I didn't think that was too bad. Now we're going to get into my place setting. The glasses you've seen before, I picked those up at Pier 1 on clearance. I forget exactly how much they were, but you know, I've never paid for full price for anything that has to be at least 50% off, so thinking those were at least 50. The napkins I picked up from Amazon. I will leave a link to those down below. You can pick those up. They were $14.99 for a pack of 20, I believe, so not bad. The napkin rings also came from Amazon. I don't remember the price. I want to say they were like $14.99 or $12.99. I'll leave a link down below for those as well. These plates I picked up on clearance. They are from Home Goods, and They were $2. I left the tag on so you can see. I thought they were so pretty. I love the silver ring. Screams glam to me. These plates I picked up at Goodwill. You've seen them before. They were, I want to say 59 cents, 99 cents, whatever Goodwill's price is for plates. These chargers I also picked up from Amazon a couple of years ago. I want to say they were like $25 for a set of 4. I picked up 2 sets for a set of 8. I will leave a link for those as well. And I picked up these plates from Hobby Lobby. They are from their spring shop. They were on clearance at 40% off, and as you can see, they were $3.99. So like $2.60. And I love the detail on these. I think they pair perfectly with the silverware, which also came from Amazon. And I want to say it was $20-something, and I will leave a link for it down below as well. But I thought I wanted to put together a very glam place setting with just a pop of red for my Show Some Love tablescape. So guys, I hope you like this tablescape. If you do, please leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you like the most about it. Or if you don't like it, what you don't like about it. But I hope mostly that you do like it. So I want to thank Kimberly for hosting this Show Some Love collaboration. I will leave a link to her channel down below, as well as a link to the playlist of all the participants. So that is all I have for you today, guys. I hope you had an awesome day. I hope this gives you a little bit of inspiration to decorate for Valentine's Day or just for a special dinner with that special someone. So I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.